In today's video, I am going to teach you how to do SUMIF, COUNTIF, and AVERAGEIF in Airtable. Start by opening Airtable and going into your base in the example table view. We are going to build a few formula fields that let you calculate totals, counts, and averages based on a specific condition, similar to what people often do with SUMIF, COUNTIF, and AVERAGEIF in spreadsheets. First, create a new field. Click into the field area and type the name you want for this calculation field. Keep the name simple and descriptive so it is easy to recognize later. Next, set the field type to formula, because that is where we will write the logic. Click into the formula input area. From the list of functions, choose sum. This inserts the sum function for you, which helps prevent typos. Now type into the highlighted section to complete the expression. As you build it, click the number field from your table to insert it into the formula. Using the clickable field insert is a good habit because it ensures Airtable references the field correctly with the right formatting. After you finish typing the rest of the formula, create the field by clicking Create Field. You should now see your result populate down the column. Next, repeat the same process to build a count-style result. Create another new field, click the highlight area, and type a clear name for this one as well. Choose Formula again. Click into the formula editor, and this time select Count. Then, in the highlighted area, type the rest of what you need for the count logic. Click the number field from your table to insert it where appropriate, and finish typing any remaining parts of the formula. When it looks correct, click Create Field to add it to your table. Finally, create your average style result. Add one more new field, click the highlighted name area, and type the name for your average calculation. Set it to formula, click into the formula box, and select average. Type in the highlighted portion to complete the formula. And again, insert the number field from your table by clicking it in the list so Airtable adds the reference correctly. Finish any remaining text in the formula, then click Create Field. Once these fields are created, Airtable will keep the results updated automatically as your records change. And that covers everything you need to know.